How to fix black horizontal lines on Android screen. This tutorial shows you how to resolve display issues and remove horizontal lines appearing on your Android device. First, press and hold the power button on the side of your device. Tap on Restart from the menu. Wait for your phone to reboot completely. This can sometimes fix temporary display glitches. Next, if the lines persist, open the Settings application. Scroll down and tap on Software Update or System Update. Following that, tap on Download and Install to check for updates. Now, if an update is available, download and install it. Software updates often fix display bugs and screen issues. Moving forward, if the problem continues, boot your device in safe mode. Press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Tap and hold on Power Off until you see the Safe Mode option. Tap on Safe Mode to restart your device. Afterwards, check if the horizontal lines still appear in Safe Mode. If the lines disappear in Safe Mode, a third-party app is causing the issue. Uninstall recently downloaded apps one by one to find the culprit. Alternatively, adjust your screen refresh rate settings. Go back to Settings and tap on Display. Look for Motion Smoothness or Refresh Rate. Tap on it and switch between standard and high refresh rates. Sometimes changing the refresh rate can eliminate screen artifacts. If none of these solutions work, the issue might be hardware-related. Contact Samsung Service Center or visit an authorized repair shop. Physical damage to the display requires professional repair or screen replacement. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix black horizontal lines on Android screen, give it a like, subscribe for more Android troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.